Let me leave. Oh, oh shit. Hey everyone, welcome back to He Plays, and today we are playing Laundry Night, which I have no idea what this game is about. I'm just guessing it's based in a laundromat. Change? I love doing my laundry this time of night. Why would you? At night time? What time is it? It's always been so peaceful. Yes. First I need to grab a basket of dirty laundry and put it in the washer. Found dog. Good. At least dogs. There you go. Next to the detergent. There you go. Finally at the quarters. Yep, alright, that's cool. Let's going. Hey, we're doing our laundry. We get in the car? I can drop my laundry off in the car when it's done. Oh, there's another dude. Bait! Where you going? Where you going? Can I just fucking leave? I wonder if... Can I get hit by a car, you reckon? Yeah, what happened? How did I get back here? Did I die? Oh, anyway. Let me see. That is it. It's gonna be me soon. It's gonna be like doing a washing at 2 a.m. in the fucking morning. No, it's not that late to do washing. I mean, it is, but at least not doing it at 2 a.m. in the morning. That would be late. So, are we just waiting for our washing to be done? Can I see what's... Oh. Next, move the wet clothes to the dryer. And that's... Get up. Get up. Any dryer? Love that. Orders. Then. Now wait for it to dry now. This is what a productive man does. There's 3 loads of washing, and he has to wait. Back. Alright, with telekinetic apparently. Yeah, alright. I don't know what the fuck's happening in this game. Can I drop this fucking basket? I don't like how it's been 10:59 for like half an hour now. That's not nice. I don't like how I just have a bucket in my hand now. I can't put it back down. I mean, I can use it as like a little shield. It can protect me from danger. Protect me from whatever's gonna haunt me or try to kill me. Bucket, yes. A wooden belt? A wooden woven bucket, yes. That's gonna work out real well in my defense. Are these done? Yeah, piping off. What? Okay, yep. Holy shit, who is this weird lady? I think she's a ghost. Don't be dramatic, ghosts aren't real, you idiots. Do not be alone after midnight, she will come for you. Does anyone know the strange woman who's staring at me through the window? Is she homeless or something? Oh god, fuck, don't be staring through the window. Okay, so it just went from 10:59 to 12 o'clock real fucking quick. Alright, we'll leave it. Locked. Oh, never mind, fucking not then. dryer just open on its own? I don't fucking know. I wasn't paying attention. Yeah, probably. It's out of order. I didn't open it. Oh! No, see the thing is, I don't have any laundry to dry anymore, so you can close that. I don't... No. See, the thing is, I got a piping hot bowl of laundry right here. I don't need to dry it again.
Oh, why is there a bitch coming out of the dryer?
Why? Why did she jump scare me through the dryer? Oh, fuck off. The lights are off. Let me leave. Oh, shit. Oh, I just turned silent real quick. Hi. What are you doing down there? Oh, okay. Please let me fucking leave. Oh, dear. My phone somewhere is dead and the fog is too thick to drive home. Fuck off, it is. You could easily drive home in this shit. Just leave. I wonder if there's an old phone in the back. Let's see. Can I put this one? What is the back over here? Oh yeah, it's up. Oh yes, I love that open. Oh fuck. Oh of course. Oh, that's not good. What's this? Please note that until further notice, the dumpster is to be opened by the manager only. Oh, she fucking with some shit. Oh, she fucking with some shit. Oh, God. Yeah, bitch! Let me call someone! I don't want to find you. Dead. What's this dead? What's this key for? Lighter, cigarettes? Fuck, gonna need that. Oh, fuck. I'm expecting some fucking monstrosity to come out of the fucking fog. Okay. It's gonna be a dead body. Yep, fucking do it. How does a skeleton have blood? That's what I want to know. If it's been in there long enough for it to turn into a skeleton, it shouldn't have fucking blood. Or should have real dry blood. That shit is decayed. Well, that was laundry night. That was weird. The same old, bitch with long black hair and a white gown. Like all horror movies, horror games.